Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a machine that's been making some serious waves in the tattoo community, especially for those just starting out or looking for a solid, affordable workhorse. We are talking about the Dragonhawk Fold Pro. Now, I've had some time to really put this machine through its paces, and I've got some thoughts to share, especially for you aspiring artists out there. First up, let's talk about something that immediately impressed me: the versatility when it comes to changing stroke length. With the Fold Pro, you got 7 different stroke lengths, ranging from 2.4mm all the way up to 4.2mm. And get this, you can change them on the fly just by turning a knob. No need to stop, disassemble or swap out parts. This means you can go from a super soft shader to a punchy liner in seconds. For someone like me who likes to experiment with different styles or even just fine-tune my approach mid-tattoo, this is a massive plus. It really makes the machine feel like several in one, adapting to whatever you throw at it. Now, this is where the Dragonhawk Fold Pro really shines, in my opinion. Is it probably the best machine for apprentices? Absolutely. And here's why: the price. This machine is incredibly budget-friendly, especially when you compare it with some of the high-end machines out there. But don't let the price tag fool you. It doesn't compromise on performance or versatility. For someone who's just getting into the tattooing, investing in expensive gear can be a huge barrier. The Fold Pro offers a fantastic entry point without feeling like you are settling for less. One thing I noticed right away, and something you might too, is the original grip size. It's comfortable, don't get me wrong, but for those of us with larger hands or who just prefer a little bit more to hold on to, Dragonhawk has you covered. You can actually buy a larger grip for the Fold Pro. Now let's talk about the sound and feel. This machine is really quiet, surprisingly quiet. You can barely hear it humming along. However, and this is a minor point but worth mentioning, it does give a little bit of vibrations during the tattoo. It's not excessive and it's certainly not a deal breaker, but you'll feel it. It's something that you get used to quickly, and honestly, for the performance you are getting at this price point, it's a very small trade-off. When it comes to tattoo styles, the Fold Pro is incredibly versatile. I've used it for everything from delicate fine line work to solid color packing, and it handles most tasks beautifully. It's a true all-rounder. However, there's a small caveat. For those really bold lines, it can feel a little bit weak. For most styles though, especially for shading, whip shading and even medium-sized lines, it performs exceptionally well. So what's the final verdict on the Dragonhawk Fold Pro? Honestly, it's a very good machine, especially when you consider the price as the main factor. It's probably one of the best machines for people entering the tattoo world. If you are on the fence, I would say give the Dragonhawk Fold Pro a serious look. You might just be as impressed as I am.